Hi everyone, I'm Teresa and welcome to my channel. Today you're gonna learn top 10 Czech expressions that will make you sound like a native speaker. Let's begin! The first expression is hodně štěstí, which means good luck, but it literally means lot of luck. So we typically use this expression when we want to wish somebody good luck, or when we want to wish somebody happy birthday. We always say with this phrase hodně štěstí, hodně zdraví. Lots of luck, lots of health, etc. Then we have jsem v obraze, which means literally to be in the picture, but it's translated as to be up to date, to know about the latest information. So the infinitive is the verb to be, být v obraze. For example, dnes je důležité být v obraze. Today it's important to be well informed. Then my favorite one, držím ti palce, fingers crossed. So literally it means I hold my thumbs for you. For example, if your Czech friend is going to pass an exam, you can tell him or her držím ti palce, or formally držím vám palce. The fourth phrase is to zní dobře. That sounds good. So whenever your Czech friend has a plan, you can tell him to zní dobře. Then this one might be a bit tricky for the pronunciation. Drž se. So držet, like you could see in the previous phrase, držím ti palce. So držet means to hold. And if I tell you drž se, I want to say hold tight, hold on tight. I'm thinking of you, drž se. You have to keep going. It's a bit different than hodně štěstí because you can use this phrase in a really difficult situation. So informally drž se or formally držte se. The sixth phrase is kašlu na to, which means literally I cough on that, because kašlat means to cough. But this phrase, it's not a vulgar one, but we use it when we want to say like screw it, like I'm done with it, like I'm not gonna do this. Kašlu na českou gramatiku. Or you can tell also to your friend vykašli se na to. Just forget about it, just screw with it. Or if you talk about yourself, kašlu na to. Seventh phrase is ruku na srdce. Ruku na srdce, which means literally the hand on your heart, and it's translated as honestly. So you can say upřímně or ruku na srdce. Ruku na srdce. Máš ráda českou gramatiku? Já ne. I don't like Czech grammar. What about you, honestly? Then maybe you know this one from French, klobouk dolů. So klobouk is a hat. And if I tell you, wow, klobouk dolů, I want to admire you for what you've just done. So your Czech friends can tell you, ty se učíš česky? Klobouk dolů. Last but not least, zlom vás, which means break a leg, but literally zlom vás means break your neck. Whenever someone you know is going to do something difficult, you can tell him or her zlom vás, informally, or zlomte vás. The last expression is ruku na to, which means deal. So ruku na to, the hand on it. So budeme se spolu učit česky? Are we gonna study Czech together? Ano? Jo? Tak ruku na to. Deal. That's it for this video. I really hope that you liked it. If you did, consider supporting my channel on the Patreon. The link is down below. I'll be really grateful to you. Let me know in the comment section if you know other Czech expressions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next week. Ciao!